Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to play music on a Lenovo Smart Clock 2. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. It's actually really easy to play the music of your choice on your Lenovo Smart Clock 2. And in this full tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. It's so easy. I should have actually called this an easy tutorial just because it's so easy to do. So all that you need is obviously your Lenovo Smart Clock 2, and you need your phone or device along with your Google Home app. So we're gonna go into the Google Home app. And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna look for your device. So right now I called mine Basement Clock, and underneath that it says play music, okay? Now if you have an associated musical association, which I'll show you in a second, you're gonna be able to play it at this point, right? But I don't have anything associated yet, so it's actually really easy. I'll show you exactly how to do it if you're doing like a fresh start like me. So tap the play music. Okay, and it says you have to update your media provider to play recommended music. Click settings right there, and it opens this up over here. Okay, so essentially what it's saying is the assistant will play the music, okay, based on what you've chosen, and you can choose a default provider, but then you can also play music from other providers that you have. So let's say you have multiple different services. You can play music from each service, but you can choose a default one to go to, okay? So as you can see, your music services, it says YouTube Music free service available, because when I set this up, it told me that there was a free service of YouTube Music available. I didn't go ahead and activate it, but it's saying that it's available. And then no default is what I have selected right here. So it's saying there's no default. There's nothing that's been chosen by default. But in addition, if you have a Spotify account, you can set that up. Okay, and it's telling you there's a free option available for Spotify at the time of me filming this, at least. I don't know if that's going to change or if any of this is going to change in the future, but at the time of me filming this, there's an Apple Music available. You have to sign in, obviously, for Apple Music. And then there's Deezer available, and there's additional ones, okay? And it says Deezer free service available as well at the time of filming this. So all that you got to do is log into your accounts. You can see there's hyperlink icons over there, so you can go to the associated sites and get into your account. So log into your accounts for the music services that you have, okay? And then you can set up the default music service that you want, and you can also play music from any of the services. So it's that easy. You just literally have to set up an association of at least one of the music services, and then you can go ahead and you can play music from there. Now I've also read that you can set this up as a Bluetooth speaker, and then you can play music from a device that is connected to this via Bluetooth. I haven't been able to do that. I've been trying. I haven't been able to do that, but I've read that you can do it. So, you know, if I were you, I would check it out. Maybe you can figure it out, because I've tried. I can't figure it out just yet. But this is a relatively new device to me, so hopefully I can figure it out in the future. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.